In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the table of contents in Microsoft Word. If your document has a table of contents, keeping it accurate is essential. Whenever you move sections around or change headings, the TOC won't refresh on its own. You need to update it. Let's walk through the process clearly and calmly so you know exactly what to do. Start by scrolling to the table of contents in your document. You don't need to select anything special. Just get to the page where the TOC lives. Once you see it, click anywhere inside the table of contents. When you do this, you'll notice a gray highlight or a thin frame around the area. That subtle change is important. It tells you Word recognizes this as a dynamic field, not plain text. In other words, it's designed to update automatically when you tell it to. Now it's time to update. Go to the References tab at the top of Word. In that toolbar, click Update Table. The moment you do, a dialog box appears with two choices. This is where you decide how much of the table of contents should refresh. Choose Update Page Numbers only if you didn't change any headings and you simply moved content around. For example, maybe you added a paragraph that pushed a section to a different page, but the headings themselves, the titles and levels, stayed the same. This option is quick and keeps your existing headings intact while correcting page numbers. Choose Update Entire Table if you added, deleted, or renamed headings. This is the safer choice when you've changed the structure or text of your headings, because it forces Word to rescan your document and rebuild the TOC to match. It will pick up new headings, remove ones that no longer exist, and fix any that were renamed. After selecting the option that fits your situation, click OK. You'll see the table of contents adjust immediately. Page numbers will update, and if you chose to update the entire table, any new or changed headings will appear exactly where they should. This keeps your readers from landing on the wrong page and makes your document look polished and professional. That's all there is to it. Click inside the TOC, go to References, choose Update Table, pick the right option based on what changed, and confirm. With this simple routine, you'll keep your table of contents accurate every time you revise your document.